What is market cap? In this lesson, you will learn the basics of market capitalization or market cap and how market cap is decided. Within the cryptocurrency industry, market capitalization or market cap is the total value of all the coins that have been mined. How is the market cap decided? Crypto market capitalization is calculated by multiplying the price of the cryptocurrency with the number of coins in circulation. For example, Bitcoin's market capitalization is found by multiplying the current number of coins in supply or circulation, over 18 million, with Bitcoin's price at a given time. As Bitcoin's price fluctuates, which it does frequently, so too does its market capitalization. In the past few weeks, Bitcoin's price has been between around $40,000 to $52,000, which translates into a significant range in market capitalization. To calculate the Bitcoin market cap at $52,000 price, you will multiply the Bitcoin price, $52,000, by the number of Bitcoin in supply, 18.8 million. The result will be $752 billion. For comparison, here's how Ethereum stacks up against Bitcoin in market cap. At a price of $3,000 and circulation of about 117 million, Ethereum has a market capitalization of about $351 billion. Even though there are many more Ethereum coins in circulation, Bitcoin's price value makes its market capitalization larger. However, you do not need to know how to calculate each coin market cap. You can easily know a coin market cap on coinmarketcap.com. Here on CoinMarketCap, you can see the coin name over here. The present price of the coin is here, and the present market cap value here.